The death toll in Mozambique from Cyclone Idai could be as high as 1,000, President Filipe Nyusi has said. Mr. Nyusi flew over some of the worst hit areas on Monday. He described seeing bodies floating in the rivers. The storm made landfall near the port city of Bra on Thursday with winds of up to 177 km per hour, 106 miles per hour. But aid teams only reached the city on Sunday. A UN aid worker told the BBC that every building in Bra, home to 500,000 people, had been damaged. Gerald G. from the UN's World Food Programme, said, "No building is untouched. There is no power. There is no telecommunications. The streets are littered with fallen electricity lines. The roofs on so many houses have fallen in, likewise the walls. A lot of people in the city have lost their homes." Rescue crews spent much of the night helping people from trees. Jamie Lissra, the head of the IFRC assessment team. The official death toll in Mozambique stands at 84 following flooding and high winds. The cyclone has killed at least 180 people across southern Africa. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Society, IFRC, described the damage as massive and horrifying. In Zimbabwe, at least 98 people have died and 217 people are missing in the east and south, the government said. The death toll included 2 pupils from the St. Charles Lwanga boarding school in the district of Chimanimani, who died after their dormitory was hit when rocks swept down a mountain. Malawi was also badly hit. The flooding there, caused by the rains before the cyclone made landfall, led to at least 122 deaths, ReliefWeb reports. The UK government said it would provide humanitarian aid worth £6 million, $8 million to Mozambique and Malawi. It also said it would send tens and thousands of shelter kits to Mozambique.